Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to visually customize or edit website, live website text, CSS or the design of the website. So inside Google Chrome, so there are numerous extensions. If you go to the search store inside Google Chrome store, I'm using this extension, edit website extension. So this website is quite easy if you want to change the live text of a website. It's got almost 10,000 users. So just type edit website extension. If you just type this, the very first extension which comes. I've already installed it, so you can see it's automatically added. So once you install this, you will see this pencil icon appearing right here. So now you go to any website. Let's suppose you want to change this text in live. You can actually fool your friends and share the screenshot. Simply click on the extension. Once you visit any kind of website or web page, simply click this and now it will visually, you can change the text from here. So as you see right here, you can easily change this. So it will add the scrolling mouse right here. You specify the value. So you can likewise you can same. So you have seen YouTube videos by people actually showing high earnings. So basically they make use of these Chrome extensions which actually changes the value live. They actually customize live values. So that's why they actually show you these high earnings. So that's how they fool people every time when they make YouTube videos. So these are the extensions that they are using. So you can put any value right here. You can see. So once you refresh the page, the values will be gone right here. So that's the trick. Again, when once you refresh it, you can take a screenshot of this and then you can share it with your friends. So if this actually happens with all the websites, you go to any website, simply click the Chrome extension. So you click the extension. You click the pencil icon. So this is how you can manually customize the text, visual appearance, everything by using this Chrome extension. Simply click on that, and as you see that it adds this mouse, and you can actually change the actual value. So definitely install this extension Google Chrome if you do want to edit a web page or live website directly. Click on the extension, start editing text, paragraph, heading tag. Click on the extension to close edit mode and tab. So definitely check this extension out.